Hello everyone and welcome yet to another video. In the last video we spoke about what is JavaScript and we saw how we could install VS Code and Node.js in order to run JavaScript offline. If you haven't watched that video, the link would be in the description below. So in this video we are going to concentrate on how you can run JavaScript offline using VS Code. First, you need to have VS Code installed, and secondly, you need to have Node.js installed. If you have those two installed, then you can continue. If you don't, then the link will be in the description below on how to install VS Code and Node.js. So to get started, when you open your VS Code, you will see something like this. So it says new file, open folder, any of that. So you can use this, or in case this is closed, then you can simply just click this file explorer here, then you click open folder. So there in your desktop you can choose any folder. So if you had created an empty folder beforehand, then here you can just go to your desktop and then you choose that empty folder. For me here, I think I created one JavaScript folder. Let me search for it, and I named it JS practice. So I'm simply going to click on it and click select folder. So now you'll see the JS practice folder has been opened in VS Code, as you can see right here. Then to create a file in it, I simply just need to click here on this button which says new file. When I click, then I will now name it index.js. So once I name it index.js, you see it will now open and I have the JavaScript file open. So here I can now write any line of JavaScript code. So I will say console.log hello world. So once you write console.log hello world, you first of all need to use Ctrl S to save it. Once you save it, then you can now come here to these three dots up here. Once you click on those three dots, you choose terminal and new terminal, and now the terminal is going to open. Once the new terminal opens, then there you can now write the command to run this JS file, and the command is node. Remember, we are using Node.js, so you start with the command node, then the name of your file index.js, and you hit enter, and there you see in the terminal you have hello world. So if I want to write a new line, I'll use console.log and I'll say welcome to Kongs Dev Lab. Let me take off this here. Alright, so console.log welcome to Kongs Dev Lab, and I will hit save. Then down here to run the file again, we use the command node index.js, and here you see we have it hello world and welcome to Kongs Dev Lab. So that is how you can use VS Code to run JavaScript offline and practice. So throughout this course we are going to use VS Code to learn various JavaScript concepts. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.